Hey there everybody, it's David with Ohio Shaves. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive deep into the do's and don'ts of shaving to get a perfect shave. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a novice into this area, this video is for you. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to get more of this great content and all my tips and tricks throughout all the videos I do. Okay, pre-shave. Before we even touch a razor to our face, it's preparation. Me personally, I like to jump in the shower first to help soften up the hairs on my face. That's important to me, but you're gonna at least wanna run some warm water and put it on your face and clean your face. That's important. If you have sensitive skin like me, it's not uncommon to use pre-shave oils or even gels or a bar. There's plenty of options out there that you can do that will help assist in your shave, which is very important. One of the most common mistakes is neglecting this critical step. It's also a great idea to exfoliate your face with a nice brush and/or shaving cream to complement it. Exfoliate gently to remove all the dead skin cells to prevent ingrown hairs. Don't shave without proper hydrating your face. Use warm water and/or a pre-shave oils to soften up the hair follicles. Very important step. Don't rush through this step. Take your time to ensure your skin is adequately prepared. Choosing the right razor and the right technique. A lot of us started out using a cartridge razor by Gillette, Chick, Bic, Dollar Shave Club. It doesn't matter, but choosing the right razor is a big deal. When you're using those razors with 3 to 5 blades on it, one of the blades is lifting the hair and the other blades are cutting off the hair, which can lead to the hairs diving below your skin line and causing irritation, and if it gets infected, even a pimple will form. Now that you've prepared your skin, let's move on to the razor and technique. Making the wrong choices here can lead to irritation and discomfort. Let's explore the do's and don'ts. Do: select a razor that suits your skin type and preferences. Consider using a safety razor, electric razor, or even cartridge razors, but get one to suit your face. Use a sharp blade to minimize the tugging and the irritation of that razor on your face. Don't apply excess pressure while shaving. Let the weight of the razor, whichever one you're using, do all the work. Don't shave against the grain unless you're experienced and you know your skin can handle it. Stick to shaving with the grain for a gentle approach. Or shaving with a sharp blade every time. That's important. You don't want to use a Gillette razor with 5 blades and try to extend the life of that blade out because they're so expensive. I get it. I did the same thing. But by doing that, there's bacteria is getting on that razor as well. It's getting dull. It's starting to pull your hair, not cut it. And it's the same thing with a safety razor. Make sure that razor blade is sharp. Don't try to extend out your razor, your double-edged razor blade, just because you're trying to get the most out of it. These blades are so cheap once you make the switch, I personally change them every time. And by doing so, it's bacteria-free. I don't have to worry about that being the problem. Now, even with a safety razor, using a double-edged blade, if that razor blade is tugging on your skin, that blade is not sharp enough for how many days growth you have this day. It's just not. You need to bump up to a higher or sharper razor blade or razor in general. Safety razors all are made differently. Some are mild, some are medium, and some are aggressive. There's a reason why a lot of people own more than 1, 2, or 3, because they want to have all those different levels covered. So that's why I highly recommend adjustable razors, especially when you're first starting out, because you're not sure if you need a mild, medium, or aggressive razor. With an adjustable razor, you're going to be able to experience all 3 of those, which is great. Post-shave care. Congratulations on a successful shave. Now that you're done shaving, you're not done yet. Make sure to use things like a alum block. It'll help close the pores on your face. Use products like Thayer's Witch Hazel. This facial toner takes down inflammation and it feels really good, and it's so refreshing on your face because it's so wet. And I always recommend a good aftershave. If you're like me and you wear cologne, there are products made from Nivea for sensitive skin. This stuff, it doesn't really have a scent. It hangs for about 20 minutes and it dissipates. Now, when you get into some of the higher end aftershaves, yeah, it's gonna hang with you. But a lot of guys do buy aftershaves and soaps and creams that match because they like the scent of it. And I gotta be honest, I'm starting to lean towards that way as well. This final step is something you don't want to just give up on. You just don't want to rinse your face off after you get done shaving and go on throughout your day. You want to use these products to help moisturize your face and let your skin heal from that razor going over your face, especially if you're like me and you have sensitive skin. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.